Checking out her, oh, just walking around her. Vietnam. To see in the world, so many streets and cities to view in Vietnam. Oh, 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 Vietnam. Walking around her, seeing her, checking out where, oh, just walking around where.
Going to be our target street, and this particular street is off of this street right here, which is the Loy Street, which looks like that, but our street is going to be looking like this. So let's put this up on the map. We're in Hue, Central Vietnam, and we're going to walk down it and show you what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. Okay, up on the map. Okay, we are in Hue, so I have lots of street videos in Hue. Let's put this up on the map. This is where Hue is at in Vietnam. And then we're basically going to be in this area, which is where the tourists are at. So let's just get right into it and show you as if you're there yourself. Okay. So Duong Chu Van An, which I mispronounced, of course, because I'm not Vietnamese. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Okay, so we're going to be walking down this street. Let's venture down to the side a little bit. And we're in Hue, kind of in this tourist area. There's lots of hotels and different stuff. There's a karaoke right there. Foot spa stuff. Beautiful house right there with nice balconies. Another, I guess, a hotel. Min Hue Hotel. There's massage shops. Another hotel. It's kind of filled with hotels. I think this area is kind of the hotel district. This one looks like it has beer. We're going to see a lot of places for beer as well. There's a Trong beer. I'm gonna film that. Look how cool that looks. See, a lot of it you can sit outside like that, and then it has this beautiful thing right here too, right? So you can serve beers. It's like she's at a shrine there, temple. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. That's a mini mart right there, the beautiful balconies. People probably live up there. And there's also all these little alleys everywhere. I might just walk into the alleys a little bit just to give you some context of what they look like. But if you come in, you'll see more businesses everywhere. This looks like a hotel, but it says like Fever and Bebe shop. So maybe it's a record shop. There's like vinyl right there. I think it's maybe it's more of a bar. There's like liquor, there's like bottles of alcoholic beverages. Another guest house. So when you look into these, more guest houses, more, and then you feel how quiet it is. So now we have this nice quietness to it. So I guess this part of Hue has some nice density to it, like little alleys that are kind of chill, relaxing. You can park your bike, stay in a homestay. Then we're gonna go back on our busy street. Hue. It's one of our cool beer places. Xin Chao, hello. It says. Okay. Gives you more context to everything. Gotta have to be careful, they open the doors. Pizza Hot deals. Yeah, that's one thing I was kind of noticing is you have to be kind of careful because people park their cars wherever they want. This was like, these are parked in the middle of the road, of course. And then they'll swing the doors open like that as well. So you have to be careful because you might walk by and get hit by a car door. Rooftop bar right up in there. Okay, so I think I'm going to try to go to this side. Ya. Just reading the sign, I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. This is a clay pot rice food restaurant. Doing lots of construction there. Another one that's kind of parks, they just park wherever they want, right? So then all the cars have to get through there the best they can. And sometimes pedestrians too, right? Like, I don't know if I can get through that way. So you have to kind of go around it. Let's see if we can go around. Maybe we'll go through this way if it doesn't move. There we go. So yeah, you can kind of park wherever you want in Vietnam. So I've been seeing that a lot. People will park in front of a crosswalk and then people honk their horns more because they have to get around it. And sometimes they'll do that where they block, you know, both sides of the road a little bit with just a little tiny bit to get through on a two-way street. Makes it interesting. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. And I think yesterday I was with my friend. We were down in this area. And so they'll say hello, of course, but they want you to ride. So we got guys here and over there as well, and probably all these corners they'll kind of hang out. So we're gonna keep on walking down. It's all these places over here as well. And check out that. Let's get close to that building because it's more beautiful if you film it like that. The music might affect the video a little bit, but it's okay. So pretty cool. And we're gonna just capture some of these other places too. Here's a Carlsberg place. So later this will be quite nice at nighttime. Okay, we'll keep on walking down. The music will probably have a copyright share for me, but it's fine. I'm not trying to make money anyways. And I think our street will end not too far from here. There's a coffee shop. Burger place. Oh, more alleys. Let me just walk this alley briefly. This alley feels like there's going to be a dog that's going to jump out at me, but okay. That's actually kind of cool image from here. And I think our street's going to end shortly. Cocktail bar. Got some jazz music. Come on spa. Thank you spa. Like, come on is thank you, but I think I'm mispronouncing it, of course. Okay, we're gonna just go down a little bit further. Hue skate shop. It's pretty cool. Oh, Motown. Oh, pretty cool. Looks pretty cool, interesting. Okay, so let's jump back out of here. And we're gonna be ending our video. Look at this one. Cool. It's amazing. So there's some really cool stuff in Hue. There's a pool table in the back. Che Guevara there. So the cultural icon from Cuba. Hello. Oh, they actually are bringing people places. Okay. Those are, I feel like those are kind of relics. I came to Vietnam the first time the year 2000, 25 years ago. And those, you'd see them everywhere. People would hang out on the corners and try to take you places on the cyclos like that. And I see a lot of them in Hue that I didn't see in other parts of Vietnam anymore. So we are going to come around, and then that's the street sign right here. There's other stuff in different directions like that. More stuff like that. And yeah, these little coffee shops like this. So anyways, that's our end of our street. I'm just gonna come up to the corner here, and then we're gonna end the video. But this was the street that we just was on. I'm just gonna run across like that.